Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Claudette. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend about my channel. And don't forget to press the bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. And in today's video, guys, I'll be bringing you a SHEIN wig review. And also we're going on the road. I have to go get our shoes for work. So if that interests you, keep on watching. So guys, this is the ear I bought from SHEIN. So let's look at it. So this is it. Guys. So it have a mesh over it. This over it. So, oh. Where is the front? Where is the back? I don't know. So, guys, it's supposed to be like an afro. Guys, I can't even know where is the front, where is the back. Huh? This is supposed to be like a, I don't know. Where's the front? Where's the back? I think maybe, I don't know where's the front or the back, guys. Oh, maybe this is the front. I think this right here is the front. So this is the front. So I would have to put it on like this because it's the hi. What is this for me? So guys, this is supposed to be like your real ear. Like your real ear. So I think I have to cut. I have my scissors here. I have a scissors here, guys. So maybe I have to cut like right here. Cut it so like for it to be a bang. Like cut it here. Like, let me see, guys. Like, let me get this sorted out and then I come back. So guys, this is how the ear is looking. Guys, this is giving me like a natural vibe. I don't know if you could see the back. This is giving me like a natural vibe. You know those girls with those great ear? And, But guys, this I bought from SHEIN like for $20. Tell me if my money, my $20 don't well spent. Guys, this is called an afro, like a natural afro with the girls, them with a good ear and all those things. So I mean that. And you see me pan roll and tell me say me wear a wig. You tell me wearing a wig. See there? See there? Let me put on my student glasses, my librarian glasses, because I am going to class. Guys, I love it. I don't know about you. Tell me in the comment section if you would buy this. It's from SHEIN and I am loving it. Let me put on the other glasses and see. Yeah, guys. Oh, it's in my ear. Guys, I think I like the other glasses. This one is okay with it, but I love it, guys. I love it. The only thing is kind of dry, but you could put in a little oil in it. But yes, guys, this is me. This is it, guys. This is, see what the curls look like. It's like, it kind of dry. Guys, you know, remember my glasses. This I got from SHEIN too, and I did this already. Like the Tom Ford. Guys, no bother with me. But guys, I love it. I love it. This is what it looks like. Up front. Up close. See there? It bouncy. Me love it, guys. Me, I will rock this. Guys, this is like your own ear. And you guys, I have a next. I buy a next wig, you know. I think the same Clyde ear. But this I want for one next. I for one next one altogether. Maybe I buy me spray it up and show it already. Guys, me into the wig. Into the wig thing now. So I'm gonna buy a couple more. I buy that one already. And then this one I'm gonna rock. Guys, this one looks like your real ear. It looks like your real ear and you just a wash and go. So this is what it looks like. Let me do it without the glasses, and you know, it just like give you like a Michael Jackson thing right here and all those good jazz guys. Oh, I know it. Me know say could have styled a little bit better, you know, but me I'm a big ear stylist, so and me just fluff it up and me good, you know. But I am loving it. I am loving it. For $20, can beat the price. Well spent. And you can fluff it up to make it look more bigger if you're into the poof. You guys just may almost take off this way. If you may I try to see this? I wish I had it right. Yeah, guys, and this is it. It just look like your real ear. Yeah, it look like your real ear. It look like your real ear, guys. So this is what it looks like, really. And I am going on the road because I need to find shoes. So we're gonna look at. So guys, now we're gonna look at designer inspired sneakers or shoes. So come with me. I go up on the road and tell me in the comment section if you like me here, okay? Tell me in the comment section if you like me here or what. Yeah. Guys, SHEIN sell everything. SHEIN. Can't go wrong. $20 well spent. $20 well spent. So guys, come up on the road. We're going to look shoes. So, one shoes for we got work. So, let's go. Catch you. So now guys, we get to the store. We're going to buy all these name brand inspired shoes. So they have Hermes, they have Nike, they have Uggs, they have Chanel inspired shoes. So take a look, and they are on sale. So I'm going to go to two stores. This is the first store that I'm going. This is the Hermes inspired. So I'm gonna let you just take a look, and I'm gonna play some music. This is the Chanel inspired. So guys, I mostly was looking for, this is for $60. I was mostly looking for like a sneakers that I could wear to work. When I'm going home, I take off my shoes, my work shoes that I wear on the unit. I never usually work in it. This is a Nike inspired. So I never really wear my shoes that I wear on the unit when I'm at work, in my car, or I go home. So I usually change. So now I'm looking for something. So that's what I'm looking for. So I usually just buy something cheap that I could just put on and just wear in my car. Then when I get home, and just wear. So this is like a Nike inspired, and most of these are for $34.99 or $29.99. The most is for $39.99, and this I can't remember this one, but I know this one. I can't remember the name, but they are all name brand inspired shoes. So take a look, and I'm gonna play some music. So I catch you next time. these are the Converse inspired, and this is a Nike Panda inspired. Guys, I'm loving that one. I don't like the uppers, but I just like the flat. This Panda inspired, and it comes in blue as well, or green and gray. No, gray are like a light brown, and they also have the crossbody, and they also have the Yugis, some guys, but they're all inspired name brand. So guys, that's it. I'm looking for really a sneakers, as I said. So this is the end of the video. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend about my channel. And don't forget to press the bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. So I catch you in a next video. Guys, tell me in the comment section what you think I should choose. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.